Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to earn quick money from Zoombucks. First of all, you have to create an account. That is so easy. You just need an email. They ask usual stuff like your name, address and etc. Boring normal things. Then they will send an email to verify account. This is a fresh account I created just like that. Go to the menu on the upper left hand corner of the members area. Under my account, click profile. Scroll down to wallet. Click the connect with PayPal button. Will prompt to the PayPal login menu. But if you don't have a PayPal account, it's okay. You can withdraw for purchases in Roblox and Minecraft. Or you can withdraw to your Steam wallet, Rigsty, or as Karma Coin. Let's move to the most important part. How to earn. There are several ways.
Whatever.
By service, by watching ads, by offers. Let me explain one by one. But before that, let me teach you how to earn your first 500 points in 1 minute and 500 coins by completing demographics. In here, they just ask for some boring, not private and not serious questions. Just pay them as you like. Then 500 point is yours. Watching videos is the best and the easiest way to earn here. You can watch videos in Hideout TV and Lootable. In Lootable, you can find surveys, app download, purses, quizzes and etc. You can earn by company service too. Amount of the points may vary depending on the country and the company you hire. Moreover, you can earn from referral systems too. They pay 500 points to each referral usually. But this also depends on the country. Hope you enjoy my video. Let's meet in another video. Till then, stay awesome guys.